So there have been design failures with some good smartphones in the past, and if we just recall them, then I don't think there could be something like the Google Pixel 3 XL. It's obviously because of this weird notch that accommodates a dual front camera setup. I know that camera is an important side of every smartphone nowadays, but the design always makes sure if the device will do good in the market or not. Keeping that in mind, Google is now going to follow Samsung's footsteps that may result into this, the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL with hole punch setup. With this, we still have a single front-facing camera, full lower variant, and a dual front camera setup for pricier variant. The devices look good with this new idea, and obviously the holes are bigger than what we see on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. But I'm 100% ready for this as it looks less offensive, and for your information, the bezels will not go anywhere. It will probably look like the Galaxy S10e, which is also good for a proper Android experience. I don't know whether the display belongs to Samsung or not, as they are the only ones with this tech ready to enter the production line. And interestingly, this whole idea will remain exclusive to S10 for the next couple of months. Also, the renders don't show any capacitive fingerprint scanner, so maybe we can see the new in-display fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. The next big change belongs to the Pixel 4 XL with a dual rear camera setup. Up until now, Google was able to produce some good quality images with a single camera lens at the back, but that doesn't seem to continue with the pricier Pixel model. It will just not be the software capability, but also the new camera setup on the back of this phone. It could be the wide-angle lens, and the best reason for that is the Pixel devices are capable of producing great portrait shots with the help of the software. Also, the new smartphone's camera trend is all about the wide-angle lens. Talking about the Pixel 4, it has got the same single camera on the front and rear, but we know what Google does for the camera department. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.